Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we'll see the introduction and basic of the Excel. So as you will open the MS Excel, this will be the page you will be seeing. So this is known as the blank workbook, and at the top here you can see some this arrow, small arrow. As you will click on this, the tool, the Excel quick access toolbar will be open, in which it contains various things: new project and the open, save the project, email, etc. At the below to this quick Excel bar, you can see the tab. Here are different kinds of tab: home tab, insert tab, layout tab, etc. Each tab contains the further divisions, which are known as ribbon. So here at the below to the tabs, you can see this. These are the ribbons. Here for the home, there is a ribbon or different kinds of ribbons. There is clipboard, for fonts, alignment, etc. Then similar into the insert tab, there are different kinds of the ribbons such as tables, etc. Similarly in the page layout, there is a theme, then the page setup, etc. So this is known as the ribbon. So you can also hide the ribbon. So for example, like this is the ribbon for the home, so you can just click the double tab, right, you can click double, you can click 2 times the home right button, so you will the ribbon will be hidden. Similarly, if you will right click 2 times on the home, it will appear. Similarly, you can use this thing. Now coming on to this is known as the name box, which shows the particular name of the particular cell. For example, if I click this cell, it shows that D4, this is the name of the cell. So this is the name box for the cell. For example, if I click over here, so it will be G and 2, so it shows the name of this cell as G2. Similarly, if we click over here, so it will show C5, which means the name of this cell is C5. Coming on to the right hand side, so here you can see this is the formula box. So in which we can input such kinds of formula, and we can also edit that thing. So for that, for expanding that formula bar, you can click over here, so the arrow is provided over here, and similarly you can click by arrow to escape that. Now coming on to this this portion, so here you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which are known as the column headings. And if you will click a particular letter, for example, I click particular letter G, then the whole entire column will get selected. Similarly, if I click on the letter D, so it will select whole of the column will get selected. Coming on to the left hand side, 1 2 3 4 numbers, so they are known as row headings. So if I click on the 6th number, it will all the entire row will be selected. Now coming on to the bottom side of this sheet workbook, you can see different kinds of sheet which contains now right now we are in the sheet number 1, then there are sheet number 2 and sheet number 3, and you can also add number of sheet. By here it has been given for adding the sheet, or the shortcut for adding the new sheet, you can just press shift plus F11, so you will get a different new sheet for the work. So this was some basic for the adding the sheet. Now coming on to the right hand side, here at the bottom you can see the scroll bar, which is for the zooming the sheet. So if I click on the plus sign, then the size of the cell will be increasing. Similarly, if I reduce this, then the size of the cell will reduce. But this quick the tabs and the ribbons will remain same. Now coming on to this top of the scroll bar, there is a two scroll bars given. So the first is the vertical scroll bar, which is provided over here, and second it is the horizontal scroll bar over here for the right and left, and the vertical is for to the top and bottom. So coming on to the top of this, so here you can see there is a close button, then here it is the restore window, and there is a minimization for the window. If we click minimization, then you will appear this kind of screen, and if you want to maximize that thing, you can click over here at the bottom here, so it will come directly. Now coming on to the top, at the top right hand side of the top, so here you can see the close button, in which the workbook will be directly closed, and you can this is the minimization of the this work. Now if we see at the center here, it is the we can say it is the name of a file, which is been book number 1. I have written as book 1. By default it has been taken book 1 and Microsoft Excel. So this at the bottom, it shows the name of file. Now coming on to this button, which is known as office button, in different kinds of in different version it can be given as the file button also, but in this version it is the office button. As you will click on the office button, it will show the new file, open, save as, print, various different kinds of options will be provided. Now coming on to this data, if we select on this data, or we can say if we select on this cell, so for entering any data, we need to first select the cell. So let us select cell number D5, and I have written as civil. Now what you can do is, if you want to rename or you want to edit this particular thing, civil, so what you have to do is you have to double click, or what you can do is left click 2 times, so you will have appear one line for the editing. Now you can edit that particular thing. So you can write design, or what you can do is just click on that and press F2 for the editing mode. So by pressing F2, it will directly come into the editing mode, and you can directly edit it. Analysis, or what you can do is click on that, and you can also edit from the formula bar, so you can also directly edit from it. Force. So here that was the how to fill the data in the Excel sheet. Now if I select the single cell, then it is known as the for example, if I select a particular box, then it is known as the cell, or when I select the particular or some numbers of cell in vertical or horizontal direction, then it is known as range. So this particular thing is known as range. And also if I select in the horizontal directions n numbers of cell, then it is known as range. It can be in vertical as well as in the horizontal. So this is known as range, and in this direction also we can known as range, and this particular thing is known as cell. Now how to save the file? So you can also save this file by pressing this button, or we can or what you can do is, there is a shortcut, so by using shortcut Control plus S, it will be saved. So or in the we can do what we can do is we can save as the file. We can also save this file in the PDF format, then we can also save in the other formats, and we can also save in Excel workbook. So let us save in the Excel workbook. So as you will click on it, it will show the location where you want to save. So let us save it in the desktop, and give the name as video